Hey everyone, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to change the color of your PNG icons. So when I started my design career, my design journey, I used to rely on PNG icons a lot, and changing their color was a lot of work for me. So now that I know how to do it, I've started to teach you how to also do it to make your work easier and faster. Alright, so these are PNG icons, and all you need to do is to come down to the toolbar, click on rectangle. So drag out your rectangle, place a rectangle on top of the icon, then move to your design tree, which is your left panel. Then select both the rectangle and the portrait, which is the icon, right? Then right click on it, then scroll down, you'll see use as mask. So click on it. Voila, we're done. Now you can see that your icon, the color of your icon has changed to the color of the rectangle. So now we're done with the first half. Now to change the color, what you will do is to select your rectangle. You can see this larger element here, that's the rectangle. If you cannot select it here, you can still come here to select it here and change the color. So this is it. This is how easy it is to change the color of your PNG icon. This is how easy it is. So now what you're going to do is to select both elements, the rectangle and your icon, and frame them. That's for easy movement, so you can move it around. And you see. Okay, so that's it. So let's try it again with this other home icon, so you can understand. So you can understand better. So rectangle, drag it out, place it on your icon. So this is the home icon here. Just move it to the top, drag it to the top directly under the rectangle. Let's just be there. Then select both the rectangle. So select the rectangle and the icon. Right click and use as mask. So move over to the right panel, click on the fill, the color directly under fill, and change it. There you go. So this is how to change your PNG icon in Figma. If you find this useful, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment on it, and also share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel to support me. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next one.